Welcome back. We are going to be cleaning that big old nasty spot in the carpet that you're looking at. So what I've discovered is these tub of towels. I buy these on Amazon. These do awesome for cleaning your hands, clean tools, and I've also discovered that it takes out carpet stains. So let's give it a shot. Now this truck has 450,000 miles. If you haven't seen the previous videos on it, it's been very well kept. Maybe not so much there, but after that much driving, you can imagine there's been a few drink spills. So basically I'm just going to start with one, and let's start here. Now you can buy or rent carpet cleaners and all that stuff. You know, this is not a replacement for those things, but this is already paid for, and I don't have to drive anywhere to go get anything, so let's try it. Man, look at that. Phew. I can tell a difference from here, so I'm sure you can tell a difference where you're at. All right. All right, I'm going to keep working at this, and I'll show you the finished results. Check that out. I ended up using a total of 4 wipes. As you can tell, they're pretty nasty. So, but man, what a difference. Can't deny it. This is all shadow down in that area. So anyway, tub of towels, Amazon, pick some up, and there are 90 to a tub. They work fantastic.